Right then guys, now that we've done that controlled shutdown on the installation, you'll see that the last thing that we did there was turn off that main isolator. This should hopefully de-energise the top side of the board. Now in between the main switch and the board body, we will have some exposed live buzz bars. Okay, this intermediate barrier here that we need to remove with a Kera tool is in place so that we don't have any accidental contact with those live parts. So before we carry out any works within this part of the board, before we take that cover off, we have to first and foremost confirm that this side of the board is de-energised. Okay, so we do our usual GS38 compliant checks. 24mm finger guards, 0.5 of an amp, 500 milliamps and or a current limit resistor in our probes, shrouded terminals, flexible cables, double insulated, big enough cross-sectional area, long enough to do the job, no signs of any damage. Okay, so prior to proving them in our known source, we run through those GS38 compliant checks, and then we'll pop our voltage indicators in and make sure that all of our lamps light up. Okay, so all we're going to do now is we're just going to run through our 10 tests. So starting from left to right, earth arrangements onto the neutral bar. The reason that beeped there, it was a continuity setting, so that's us showing that we have that neutral earth connection on our supply cable. Okay, and then all we do is we run down line 1, line 2 and line 3 on the incoming side of the circuit breakers. Okay, if you really wanted to double check, you could check all of the connected circuits on the load side of the circuit breakers just to ensure that there's nothing coming back. Okay, so earth to neutral, earth to all of our line conductors, and then do the same with our neutral terminal, neutral onto line 1, neutral onto line 2, neutral onto line 3. Okay, again you could check the load side if you really felt you had to, and then line 1 to line 2, line 1 to line 3, line 2 to line 3, and you can repeat that process on the 3-phase circuit there. So that's us, we've done our 10 tests, earth to all of our live conductors, 4 tests, neutral to our line conductors, 3 tests, line 1 to our other 2 line conductors, 2 tests, and then line 2 to line 3. Okay, 1 test. So 4 tests, 3 tests, 2 tests, 1 test. Once we've finished that, we then reprove our voltage indicators in our known source, and that makes it okay, or that ensures that it's okay to remove this intermediate barrier.